Hi guys, Jim Castagnet here, Property Development World. I want to talk to you about a very special event. It's the first time in about 4 years I'm going to start running the live events once again. Now, it's going to be 2 days packed full of information, strategies, case studies on how to do property development. This is all about the beginners and how to break into this industry.
Hello. One become a property developer, or is it just for those with deep pockets? Well, joining us on the show tonight is Jim Castagnet from Property Development Workshops. Now, Jim, you're doing something different that we don't normally cover, so do you want to tell the viewers exactly what you do?
The big secret in property development, of course, is that you don't necessarily need a lot of money to get into it, and indeed at the workshops we show people how to get started without using a lot of their own money, or in fact sometimes no money at all. As a first timer, you would look at perhaps a dual occupancy or a couple of townhouses, and that would probably be the low risk. Let's say you're doing a couple of townhouses, and what we're looking at is, for example, on completion you might sell them for $1.5 million, so that's 2 townhouses. Your land value to start off with might be $700,000, so that's either your own block of land or perhaps you're going to buy this from another person. And let's say your development cost is about $600,000, so that includes your building as well as consultancy costs, and your profit in that case would be $200,000. So your profit margin is 15.3%. People are sitting on gold mines, literally, and not realize it. And it's not hard to do. It's not hard to do at all if you know what you're doing.